since December 26th.
Yep.
So last time we went over this bridge, we were coming back from the Hershey show last year.
Is it? Is that where this was?
Yeah. It's a skinny bridge.
This is the skinny bridge. Let's show everybody. Skinny.
These are the ones that I don't like. Because I don't have any room to maneuver if I need to. We are headed down to the Chesapeake Bay 1,000 Trails.
Yep.
Which is about 45 minutes from Williamsburg.
From our home.
And
Ish.
Grandma doesn't know that we're going to be there today because we weren't originally supposed to get there until later in the week. And she was going to be out of town. But we're going to get into the campground. We're going to find a site, get set up, and hit the road again. We're going to go surprise.
Are we going to go? Go see Grandma?
We're going to go surprise Grandma. Just look up. Good Lord. We're almost all the way.
Are we going to go see Grandma today?
Yes.
And Pixel?
Yes.
Yes. Grandma?
You going to go surprise Grandma? Yeah.
Welcome to Virginia. I went by fast.
Anymore.
It feels weird to be back in Virginia because, like I said, we left on December 26th, and it is what,
October 14th.
October 14th. So this is by far the longest that any of us have been out of our home state. It's gonna be weird seeing home because we've seen so many things.
It's true.
It's gonna be weird recognizing things.
Weird recognizing things.
I need to update our count, but we're 35?
35 states?
35 or 36
Yeah.
states. So it's weird to come back here now.
Yeah.
But, you know, in the back of my head, it's just another stop.
Yeah, I mean, that's kind of what I'm thinking. It's just another stop along the way. We just happen to know the roads and the people. And
Yeah. And we're gonna have some parties and see people that we've been missing and have lunches and dinners with people and
soak it all in while we're here.
do some trick-or-treating in our old neighborhood.
Yay!
And then we'll go do Thanksgiving with family up at my brother's new house. And then after that, heading back out. So this is the normal routine. We'll pull up at the gate. Erin will walk over and get us all checked in. Sometimes she has to go into buildings farther away. Sometimes I pull up and the rangers or the gate attendants will just talk directly to me through the window. So it varies depending on the campground. More often than not, 1,000 Trails, we pull up normally in the right lane and then we go get checked in.
Okay, so I think we found a spot. We were told by the neighbors it's a good spot. We're near the store. We're kind of near the playground. There's a whole road here that the kids can ride up and down that I can see them from the rig in. So
there's no trees directly overhead.
Yeah, there's no trees directly overhead. Granted, with wind, stuff comes down because we are in hurricane territory now.
Yeah.
So
A fire pit.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice one.
Yeah.
I think the kids will be able to play and do some things, and we can kind of tidy up a little bit as well.
Yep.
But yeah, I think it'll be good. So let's back it in.
So not too bad. I like backing in on the driver's side. It's really easy for me to see because I can just hang my head out the window and see where I'm going. So we're actually, we're a little too far back in the site here because the way these are angled together, we're kind of like poking into someone else's living side. So we're gonna come forward a little bit and then we'll get up on the levelers and get leveled out.
Yep.
Alrighty, we're all level. Well, close enough. So I'm happy with those numbers. So now we just got to run the nose up 5.5 inches and we're done. We finished getting all set up back at the rig, and we are now on our way to surprise Grandma. Erin is messaging with her, being like, "So, how's the weather there today? Is it nice?
Because we're only, what, 30
you
minutes
out
away?
shopping?" Like, just trying to figure out, make sure she's home and that she has no idea that we're nearby. So we'll see. We'll see how this turns out.
Yes.
But we're going over one of two bridges. This is, it's actually a cool little town. It's called West Point. It's where these two larger rivers come together. It's actually really pretty. The only problem with it is there's a paper mill. And if any of y'all have driven by a paper mill, you know how terrible it smells.
Yeah.
So, but if you ever come through here, make sure you follow the speed signs, because it's like 35 through this main strip down here, and
it is 35.
35, and it is 35. You will get pulled over for 36, so go 35. But it's a cool town, and there's actually a neat little like waterfront community down here on the river. Coming up here on the left, just south of West Point, is Scenic View RV Superstore. This is actually the first place I ever set foot in an RV. When we decided to do this last year, when we were like, all right, we're gonna do this, I had never actually stepped foot in an RV in my life. So we came up here because they were actually one of the closest ones to where we lived. We're close to my mom's house, so I'm gonna call her now and try and get her on the phone. We're gonna have Tara sneak up and ring the doorbell. So hopefully we'll get her reaction.
Hey.
Hey there.
Hi. Hi, Grandma.
Hi there.
How's it going?
I was thinking about you.
Yeah?
Can I see Grandma?
What are you up
Thinking
to?
about Tara, not you.
Why are you thinking about Tara? Man, that's rough.
But she's going to
I was just thinking back to July when she was here.
Yeah? That's interesting. So what are you up to?
Eating lunch,
Okay.
chicken fried rice,
Go ahead,
and
Tara.
salad.
Chicken fried rice. So that they're frozen, you just like scoop some out and put it in a bowl, or is it like in a bowl you put in the microwave? Just put the phone down.
What are you doing here? Someone else.
Hi.
What's going on?
We're here.
You can't be here.
Yeah, we're right out front.
Somewhere else.
No, Tara's in there now. You said you were thinking about her and she just appeared. Hey honey, it's your van.
So exciting.
You'll forevermore not be confined to the truck.
It's Mommy's van. Yay!
It's Mommy's chariot.
That's Grandma's. Whose house is this? Sweetheart, oh my goodness. Hey, baby. Oh my God.
Oh, look at Ben.
Oh, look at you. He's heavy. Oh my gosh, that's gross.
Squeeze.
Look at that hug.
Squeeze.
You have grown, hon.
Squeeze, Ben.
Such a big boy now. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so good to see you.
A nice surprise. Since the day after Christmas.
You wanna go see Pixel?
Camping all over the country in an RV.
Yep.
Is that Pixel? Oh my gosh. Oh my lord.
Sweet girl, let's go back inside. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Hi, Pixel. Oh my god.
Hey, stop. Hi, crazy girl.
If anyone is wondering why we don't have her with us in the RV, this is why.
Hi, baby girl. Hi, sweetie. Oh, hi. It's so nice to see you. Hello. Oh, hi, sweet girl.
So when we left in December, we parked the van at Mom's house and switched. If you guys didn't know you could do this, a lot of insurance companies will actually let you put a vehicle in storage and you pay a lot less per month on your premium. So we just took it out of storage, so now we have full coverage on it again because we're going to be driving it. But it's a way to store a vehicle for a little bit cheaper. We definitely need to do a little bit of cleaning because Mom's house is surrounded by pine trees. So
Pine needles.
we'll do a little bit of cleaning and
All of our Christmas stuff is back here.
yeah,
So what we're gonna do with
we
this
actually
stuff.
stored some stuff back in here. We love this van. Erin is super excited to have it back. So many pine needles. So many pine needles. Oh my lord. Erin's got her van
I'm
back.
so happy.
But now,
girl.
y'all, we cannot decide on what to get for dinner.
Oh my goodness.
This is classic like sitcom, like naming places off. We're like, no, name somewhere else. No.
I have named off a ton of places. You have offered nothing.
Yeah,
So.
I'm at the hunger point where like I just want something, but I don't want anything specific, so I don't know.
Yeah.
So we're gonna kill a little bit of time and run this thing through the car wash because
And
holy cow, pine needles.
we only have one child.
We only have one child. Woo!
Just one baby.
Just one baby. the girls are spending the night at Grandma's. So.
Yay!
Yay! So we're gonna take advantage of that. Which is why we're talking about getting food, because you know
We can manage one child.
he is the bad one at restaurants, but when both of us can focus on him, he's actually pretty good.
Yes.
So yeah, we'll figure something out. Oh, Ben, it's gonna clean the van. It's spraying soap all over us.
Get all that sap off.
Yeah. Hopefully most of the pine needles blew off while we were driving.
Yeah, I hope so.
Whoa. That is gross.
I think this is gonna get all the sap.
No.
Clean van. Here we go.
Slowly, honey.
Jeepers creepers. Right?
Slow, we gotta use that dryer
I
time.
know, I gotta get up to it though. It had already started. I don't know that these do anything.
I was about to say the exact same thing. I feel like these are just a lie. So we need to get some manual
Manual washer and up.
there's some pretty bad goobers.
Oh.
No, why did you?
Because I couldn't see. There was so
Oh.
much wetness up here.
Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna pull right here.
Yeah, let's get the pine needles off of these.
We have some paper towels we can use.
Yeah. If any of y'all have experience with getting sap that has been on for a while off of glass, I mean glass not too bad because I can take a razor to it if I need to, but paint,
Yeah.
if you guys have any recommendations for products to get sap off of paint, let us know. That'd be great. Y'all, I totally forgot there's a cookout in Williamsburg.
We're going to cookout.
We're going to cookout. Yes. The gloriously cheap and terrible looking sign. But it's cheap and not terrible food. We love it. Cookout was delicious.
Cookout was
As
delicious.
usual. So we popped over to Trader Joe's before heading back up to the campground.
We did have to remember what our orders were at cookout
Yeah.
though, 'cause we haven't been there since the South.
Yeah, we think they're only south. We definitely did not run into any north of Virginia.
No. Or in the West. Well, I don't remember on the West, but
Yeah,
it's been a while.
yep.
So,
So I think we're gonna go ahead and close it out here.
yep.
Yep, we're gonna get our Trader Joe's home and then we're gonna relax with one child.
One child. And with Vector.
Yep.
So, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Visit us at 5togo.com and check out our Patreon page at patreon.com/5togo. Bye.